Introducing the Genius Tools Wheel Weight Removal and Balancing Hammer Pliers. This versatile tool, with a standard 10-inch size and overall length of 250 millimeters, is designed to handle all kinds of wheel weights, from SUVs, passenger cars, trucks, and more. Using chrome vanadium steel with a phosphate finish, Genius Tools achieves high strength, durability, and anti-corrosion properties, and a drop forging process ensures a lifetime of professional use. But these are so much more than just pliers. They are a 7-in-1 tool that can pry, pull, pinch, disassemble, hammer, cut, bend, release, and position weights on the inner surface of rims. The coated handles provide comfort and reduce hand fatigue while ensuring a non-slip, firm grip. Rated to meet or exceed ANSI specifications, Genius Tools backs up its quality with a limited lifetime warranty, protecting you against any manufacturer defects. Genius Tools, built for pros, made for life.